Hello guys, welcome to the final round ST. Today's topic is Singleton Design Pattern. And what a Singleton Design Pattern is? This design pattern restricts the instantiation of class. It ensures that the class is only one instance in the entire application. And each time we require an instance of the class, we reuse the same instance. Let us see in front of ourselves what this particular class is doing. So what are we doing in this? We are creating two new instances of the class using new singleton, new keyword. Okay. So what it would be doing, each time a new singleton is called, it would be creating a separate object in the heap. So ideally singleton and singleton 2 should not be equal, but let's see. Let's compile the class and let's see if these are equal or not. These are not equal. That means each object is residing in its own unique heap space, which makes both of these objects unique. But as if you want to have a single database connection that you need to be reused across the app, what would be the ideal scenario? Would you require a new connection each time, new instance of the connection each time you are using it? No, that would be such a wastage of heap, right? The optimal solution being you would be reusing the same instance again and again. So how to do that? Let us see how to implement the singleton design pattern. How are we creating the objects? Using the constructor. Let's limit the constructors. Private singleton. Now these constructors can't be used, but we also want to create a instance out of this. How would we create an instance out of it? We would be using a public method, correct? Public static. What it would be returning? It would be returning the class singleton get instance. And what this instance method would be doing, it would be checking if the instance is already available or not. So what we would also be doing is we would be having a variable, private variable, which is storing the instance. So it would be having data type of the class is equals to null, or it is find the space. Okay, if instance equals to null, then only we would require to create a class new singleton, and then you would be returning this instance. This resolves our issue, correct? So what it would be doing is each time you create get instance you'll call get instance method, it will check if the instance is already created or not. If the instance is already created, it will return the initial instance, and if not, it will create a new instance. How do we use it? Singleton dot get instance. Let us copy it over here, singleton dot get instance, and let us save and run it. Java C and Java. True. That means now both singleton and singleton 2 are using the same instance, that is the object is stored in the same heap space. That is how you create a singleton class. Thank you.